Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Nissan Qashqai Tekna Plus. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 158 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 39 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 20 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 49,000 miles and comes with full service history from Nissan. This particular colour is the Storm White and looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the Tekna Plus, you get many features. So starting off on the seats, these are electric, heated, and with the memory function there as well. There's also an armrest and two cup holders for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other functions I can mention. The car also has climate control, as well as cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, first of all, you got your Bose sound system, and then the folding door mirror switch and the full window controls. And then the great feature on this particular model, you've also got the full-length glass roof there as well with a blind, so that lets in plenty of light. The Qashqai is a great car for the family, so nice wide door opening there in the back, lots of legroom and headroom there for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts too. And as we open the tailgate, you've got a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is actually its highest point at the moment, so you can hide bits underneath. And then below that, you've also got your subwoofer and also your tyre inflator kit there as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch alloy wheels, and also on this particular car you also get the 360-degree parking cameras too. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.